Oh my god. There we go again. Why is the weather fucking on rotation again? The rumbling, tumbling shit fuck.
You can't turn the effects off?
No.
That's Blue!
Yes, sir.
Do you trust that I do not want to see you die here tonight?
Sir, yes, sir.
Blue, you're my boy!
Thank you, sir.
You're my boy, Blue! You're my boy.
Okay, cut me off, asshole.
Road rage incoming.
Can I horn you if I'm pressing button?
No.
Come on.
Cars don't fly in the air anymore, so...
Man, we're reaching bike speeds. Going on that down slope.
Where are we going?
I just marked the closest place in. Memphis, if you want to go somewhere, mark it.
Yeah, I did, yellow. Okay, beast.
We didn't take damage from it.
No, yeah, we're taking damage every time you're fucking stopping in the blue shit.
And I'm out of gas.
You wanted to ride?
We're almost out of gas.
Yeah, I know. You'll make it in the yellow, it's so close.
There were shots, K-bar shots somewhere.
I didn't hear.
Somewhere to our southeast.
I didn't hear anything.
You were talking when it happened.
I hate this fucking rain, it makes my ears bleed.
It's doing its job then.
Wow, it's so smooth, so responsive.
This game has dropped to mixed reviews on Steam because of this update.
What do you mean drop mixed reviews?
It was mostly positive, like on the most recent reviews, now it's mixed. Because of the crates. People don't like the crates.
What the fuck? Why?
You don't have to buy it if you don't want it.
Because it's microtransactions.
Yeah. People are so butthurt on the microtransactions lately, so it's like...
What does microtransaction
like all the reviews I've read said that the devs promised not to add any until the game was fully released.
Yeah, but it's like... They can't expect that people don't make money from it, so... You can sell, you know, like certain amount of copies. Car southeast driving towards the crate. You can sell certain amount of copies of the game, and you can expect... You can't expect, you know, like them not making money, because everything takes money. How the game is gonna go better if there is no transactions anymore?
This game is still the top selling game on Steam.
I know, but that's what I'm saying, you know, like they still need to make money from it. And the microtransaction is microtransaction.
There's guys west 300. They're right. I see their car. They're right over the hill from us, like right there, my blue marker.
Yeah, that was close.
Yeah. But then again, they did promise not to add any until the full game was released.
Yeah, people... I see right away people on the west 300, on the 3.
Yeah, that's the guy. Just saw that.
He got lit up the moment he put his head out.
That's the second time he got lit up.
Uh-huh.
Piece of doodle.
We gotta go.
Mm-hmm.
See, Memphis is not on military.
Okay.
He's still up there.
Yep, I know. Are you K-barring?
Yeah.
How the fuck we gonna go over the fucking...
I hit one. Okay, one's knocked out.
Okay, somebody's shooting at me. Okay, he's still on top of the...
I hit the one shooting at you.
Yeah. He has a K-bar.
Yeah, he's reviving his friend now, I think. Oh, there's 3 of them.
We
Hit
need to
another.
go. I don't know how.
Someone else just knocked him out. Someone else just knocked the one out I was aiming at. So, there's another team watching those guys.
Yeah, I know.
And we're gonna run right into them if we go to my blue marker. Because they're somewhere to the west.
I see people right in front of us, west, running. 3 of them at least. You guys see them?
Yeah.
I'm far behind you. I'm kind of far
No,
behind
you should see them already from there.
Oh, yeah, now I see them. Right as they passed the rock, they appeared.
This is bad.
Who's shooting
Somebody's
K-bar?
still shooting from there, from the compound.
Yeah, there's a UAZ parked there.
And this compound is here probably also full of people.
Definitely.
Yeah, I don't have a choice. I gotta pass it.
I'm
Yep.
being shot at. Yep. Yeah, from that compound.
I see them who in front of us. They dropped on the rock there. Nastra.
Yeah.
The guy that was shooting with the K-bar is in the barn building. Judging by why he's not shooting me now.
Don't shoot them yet.
No, I'm not. One of them just laid down.
Memphis, he saw you. Yeah, good job.
One's laying down over the crest of the hill, and one's coming back from the left. A little bit. So watch out.
From where?
I don't know.
They're laying... Oh, there's a rock here.
Yeah, they're laying down.
Knocked one.
Mm-hmm.
Throwing a nade over. See if I can hit him.
Car passing right next to us.
Car's smoking. Okay, good job.
Oh shit, I'm
on
getting
me.
shot.
Yep.
From the houses probably.
Yeah, it is.
I need meds.
I need meds as well.
Well, one of them has bandages.
Why the fuck I'm shaking again?
You're scared?
A little.
Alright, there's a first aid here.
Did any of them have 7.62 Nostra?
Yeah, this guy on me
I
has.
can give you some.
Well, yeah, I could use some.
Here. Yeah, I'll drop it here.
Okay. Did you
And
drop
Memphis has, yeah, 30
What?
rounds right there. Memphis said he has some too.
it? Are you sure you dropped it? There's nothing on the ground.
I dropped it next to it. I moved. And I'm gonna die
Oh,
because of it. Right here.
Where they are.
I don't know. I just heard a shot whiz by my head. Oh, I see one. Fucking west from us. He's
Yeah, I see
running up the hill.
We should
He's
go
aiming.
left. We gotta go left.
Great. That's a bad idea, but sure, let's do it.
Those guys at the compound have to move, and we have more cover than them in this area.
Yeah, and we're pinched in between two of them.
No.
I am in here, but no cover.
Yeah, I'm going up to this rock right here.
I see the compound guys trying to move right now, I think. Yep.
Okay.
Where are they?
They're outside the line.
Guys right over the hill coming up. Knocked one.
I knocked.
The team up on the hill's coming up on us, guys. Okay, one is dead. Don't know where his friends are.
I killed one guy from the compound.
No, I killed two of them.
I think, yeah, the rest of them are dead. They were outside the line. They
Okay,
got
well, I killed one up on this hill. I don't know where his friends are, so
Okay.
be careful.
Alright, I gotta heal real quick.
I'm gonna mark the next one for us. There we go.
I think we should start moving right now.
Who's
guys.
throwing nades?
That's them up on the hill.
Oh, okay.
We should start moving right now.
Yeah, from low end.
Yeah.
They're gonna be able to peek down on the hill though and shoot us.
I know.
I'm running right now. Nobody's shooting me. And the shack's inside. Like, it's in the center of the fucking... Come on, I'll try to cover you.
Okay, the guy up in the hill doesn't know where we crossed. He's still looking down the hill. I see him right now.
Good.
Oh, I see them. I see them.
Where are they at?
I'm gonna go watch their backs up this hill.
You see him, Memphis?
Yeah, I shot him once.
Oh, three guys west 285.
Oh, somebody's behind us.
That's me.
Ah, that's you.
Down.
Okay.
I killed one because he was down. The other guys that moving in, I hit another.
I downed one.
The other one's hiding behind a tree. Other one's hiding behind a tree.
Yeah, he got killed.
Good job.
Not by me.
One guy left. Yep.
So somebody's. Oh.
Yeah, he's not outside the zone. It's all fun. He was short, right?
How many kills you guys got?
3.
4.
So good.
No, it's not that. I just cut the gay part and started fucking things up.